Want to clean up your Gmail inbox without losing any emails? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to archive all your emails at once. Archiving helps declutter your inbox while keeping everything safe and accessible for later. First, log into your Gmail account and head to your inbox. At the top left corner, you'll see a small checkbox. This is your key to selecting multiple emails. Clicking it selects all the emails on the current page. Gmail usually shows about 50 emails per page, so if you have more, don't worry. A notification will appear giving you the option to select all conversations in inbox. Click it, and now every single email in your inbox is highlighted and ready to archive. Next, look at the icons above your email list. Find the one that looks like a file folder with a downward arrow. This is the archive button. Click it, and just like that, all your selected emails disappear from your inbox and are safely stored in the archive folder. They're not gone forever. You can always find them by searching for a keyword, sender, or email address. If you ever need to bring an archived email back, just search for it, open it, and use the Move to Inbox option. This process is simple, reversible, and incredibly effective for keeping your inbox clean. Archiving regularly is a great habit that keeps your Gmail organized and stress-free. Try it out today and enjoy a refreshed, clutter-free inbox.